And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate or auto calculate US taxes for SaaS in Stripe Tax. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to auto calculate US state taxes for SaaS in Stripe Tax, all you gotta do is simply open your Stripe account. So once you're in your Stripe taxes, you can simply get logged in into your account, and Stripe Tax automates the calculation of your state taxes for software as a service, that is SaaS, businesses by automatically determining your tax obligations and collecting the correct amount at checkout. It identifies where you have a tax nexus based on your Stripe transactions, and after you register in the relevant states, it automatically applies the correct tax rates for each and every customer, so you don't have to input anything or feed in any of the information, as it is all automated. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.